Take a walk through your door and you'll see work happening everywhere, shops opening, people waiting for taxi, busy with their day. But here's the real question: how many young youths like us are actually making a living? Every morning, thousands of young people in Meghalaya wake up asking the same thing: where do I find a job? But maybe that's the wrong question. What if it's not just about finding a job, but about having the right skills to create opportunities? Because today it's not just about waiting for a job, it's about having the right tools to create your own path and make things happen.
Seni te dangla balik business lady kam kiu ma nama bada apply kam sakate katulap ru kasyang kijak ba yo dunani yo kam he dali business lady pat ka yo bitulap ka bakam biang.
I think that for us, most of us, we think that most of the councils and stuff, we need most of those, because some people, we don't know what we want to do in our future. We have to just ask ourselves, because most of the people outside, they have a lot of people advising them. But for us, we don't have much of that.
Thousands of young people are struggling to find work, and the numbers keep growing. There aren't enough jobs out there, and so many young people finding work feels very hard. So what do? Here's the truth: it's not just about lack of jobs, but the kind of jobs that exist and whether we're actually prepared for them.
For most of us, we have just less jobs, basically. Only even the salary is not that much. But I think the job, we need a lot of job opportunities in life in the future, because a lot of us, we have different types of skills and different types of dreams in our life. So yeah, a lot of not just most of all in studies, also in our talents also, we need those type of jobs too, based on our talents, not just in our skills and studies and knowledge and stuff. So yeah, that's what I think.
If you ever feel stuck struggling to find work, you're not alone. But here's the good news: maybe the answer isn't just in searching for jobs, but in building opportunities. And the power to do that is in our hands.
Kakam ladi te kawai kadan de kasap nama lada ngim dan kasap te ngim lahi ban penyaja kakam ka namar kasap ka de kawai ka ba lada ngidan kasap kemut kakam do ka kieu saprang ngila te bangin pen tre kam lada ngim dan pat kasap te ka sulong lene lada klem kasap te ka jing tre do ka long klem dan pelan kan sukul la ka kot kum tu
mentang di kot kubur hanya po golfling tay te ngadi kubur mstam misngi janmien tu ngawan kelas tinu golfer ni po mukarang ni
Pidan kami ka skill ne, ka qualification ne.
ka skill si nomor ba qualification de ngam smuda dan jing mentora wada ngaru beralai jadu ka biir ngam smu dan jing mentora daga ya kata ka qualification ma dari ba dan kam di skill si nomor ba kerja balik tap kamam Japan may experience mukibla dan high level skill ma.
What if we stop seeing this as a crisis and start recognizing it as an opportunity? Meghalaya isn't just any state, it's one of the youngest in India. And that's not a weakness, that's our greatest strength. A youth population means fresh ideas, untapped energy, and limitless potential waiting to be unlocked. Instead of asking, where are the jobs? What if we ask, what can we create? What if we stop waiting and start building? So what's really going on? Is it that there are no jobs at all? Or is it that the job out there expects something we were never really taught? Like how to adapt, think independently, or turn ideas into opportunities?
As a society, our focus is for young people to educate them. Specifically here at Don Bosco Technical School, our focus is on imparting skills. At the same time, we also realize that education or academic only is not sufficient. As we know, today, the demand is for skills. That is the demand in the job market.
We grew up believing a degree is enough, but is it? See the problem. In school, we're taught to memorize, but out here in the real world, job demands something else: practical skills. Think about it. The world is changing fast. Business aren't just looking for degrees. They need people who can actually do their work, whether it's just technologies, managing a business, or working online. And that's where many of us get stuck.
Ta banga nga training ya kane ka motor mechanic vehicles haba nga dan kam but anda nga dep ya ka jing puli nang ni haba ngalit ban wat ya ka kam ngasuk namar banga la don ya ka skill te kumta ka skill ka long ka ba don kam ha.
But what if this is just the beginning of something better? So if the problem is skills, where do we even start? Some young people are figuring it out, learning skills, working on their own terms, but not everyone knows how to take that first step.
Jing syam jonga hi hakani hapo hagi Islam ke bangla treh dan school technical school. Kawai na ki jing thumu jongi ka vision ke bangi don mangi ka longba ikna ki batrei hang ni ki diban pas ke training nang ne bakin sengi la ke jongi kama jongi. Bakin yang la ke jongi kijat ni ka ta ka jing mod ke bangi don nam ta ikna jongi. Temen ta hagi Islam makin diat ru dan ka full fledged placement cell ke bangi don hapo don Bosco Technical School. Da ka jing don jongi ka placement cell ngilarap layar lap ni rap bon ikna ki ban yo kam yo jam Shaki organisation berpair-pair, si company ki berpair-pair. Nantara shaki wi jakar wi jalla jo gari India jongir kumjo.
That's where training providers come in, not with just another classroom, but with the real hands-on learning that leads to real work.
Reading baga jing don gadom sko ka ai jing kai ngi kumno ba penon kam kini ki tiar khang ba kata ka jing trei ga jing ka long kham step mo ban pen mi ki ki ba ngi trei la ka long haganu ganu ga jing sna ga jing ling ba ki tiar ki ba menta rega jing kai ka training hane ka long ka jing hikai ka shlam ga jing hikai ngi ka ba ngi la yo shibon ki jing mentoy
hanging hikai ki ka hair makeup and skin kinda la ada ban puli nang ni kila ada ban specialized kila upgrade already both basic and advanced kila ada then ni shit placement ni khana ru chaba ki yo ban ni tre chaba nang tu na kila tre hi ki seng na ka jong ru ki earn bha dari bokem pat sedang ban seng jong la di ru am da ki pi da ki le tang freelance ban chulet ban pele ki yeng ki dan ba khat ban tha khap shu ha yeng ne pha le makeup ha yeng ki le hang tu ru ki la ban earn te ha ka shi sni da di ba yo tang ni be client ki pele makeup si hajar be client ni la charge so ka haircut menta ka la kiu dot i be client ni la yo san spa ting kai ken thei shin dang ban ka dang duna ni dang sim tang si spa da ki la menta kum bon sin ki khna ki ba wan hang ni ki la dep ya ka advance ru kemudian kila nang ban ni ke chemical for example ban pen batch new pen kedos new menta kila bon ki treatment hapo market kum nanoplasia botox kito baro tekin la nang ban ni kito ne kemudian ha ka sis ni ki riu hajar shapo kila la bit ban an.
Waiting won't change anything. The only way forward is to learn, grow, and build something for ourselves. But real change doesn't happen alone. It happened when we come together. Whether you're Khasi, Garo, Panar, or from anywhere in the Northeast, our strength is in unity. When we share ideas, lift each other up, and create together, we don't just find opportunities, we build the future where we all rise. The good news, it's already happening. Some young people in Meghalaya are figuring it out. They're working on their own terms, earning in ways that didn't exist a few years ago. But here's the next big question. What kind of jobs actually pay well? What are the skills that you can guarantee a steady income? And who's already making it work? Next time, we'll meet people who are already making money, not by waiting, but by learning their right skills. And trust me, their stories will change how we see the future.